Namaste, my name is Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are going to make Brussels sprouts curry. Brussels sprouts look like mini cabbages and are super healthy. I have listed few of their benefits towards the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. You can find the list of all the ingredients in the description box. Take 200 to 250 grams of Brussels sprouts and wash them thoroughly. Now, cut the top of the Brussels sprout just like this and then slice it from center. Now we will repeat this process with the rest of the Brussels sprouts. Once you have sliced all the Brussels sprouts, add them to a fresh bowl. Now it's time to prepare the spice mix. Again, you will find the list of all the spices in the description section. Heat a pan and add all the spices to the pan. Make sure the pan is on medium heat and now stir the spices gently. You will begin to smell the amazing aroma coming out from the spices. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame and let the spices cool down. Once the spices are at room temperature, add them to a mixer grinder. Now add 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut powder, then 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You can also add solid ginger and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and finally a little bit of water. Grind everything together. We are looking for a very smooth consistency. Check the paste and see it is still not smooth, so I'll add some more water till it's really smooth. Now add the spice paste to the Brussels sprouts and mix everything together. Make sure all the Brussels sprouts are coated nicely with the spice mix. Once done, keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes and meanwhile we'll start with the curry process. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic cloves. Saute them for 2 minutes over medium heat. Once the raw smell from the garlic is gone, add 1 medium finely chopped onion and mix everything together. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes till it is golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything together. Cook everything for about 2 minutes over medium or low heat. Now we will add the marinated Brussels sprouts to the pan. Pour some water from the bowl you have marinated the Brussels sprouts in and add it to the pan as well. You can always adjust the water as per the consistency you need in your curry. I'm adding some more water. Now cover the pan and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes over medium or low heat. Take off the cover after 10 minutes and let the curry cook over medium heat. Mix occasionally to make sure that the gravy is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cover the pan again and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off the cover and stir the curry. The oil has oozed out from the curry and now we will try to see whether the Brussels sprouts are cooked or not. Try to break the Brussels sprout. The Brussels sprouts are cooked completely. Now switch off the heat and add some chopped cilantro or parsley leaves. Mix everything together and serve it hot with some steamed rice or chapati. This is such an interesting recipe and so easy and quick to make. Do make sure to read the benefits of Brussels sprouts as they are amazing. As usual, I have listed all the equipments I use in the description box. If you want to learn more about veganism, I have also added a link for this amazing book, Vegan for Life, so do check that out. So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and click here to subscribe to my channel, Food Atomic. So that's all for today, guys. I will see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.